So good morning everyone, this is my project for my college and this is just a starting for it. So this is actually done on my Kali machine for something is happening so I can't actually record very clear in Bandicam. So this is the output. It shows the date, uptime, CPU architecture, byte order and all those things. So let's actually delve into the scripts I wrote. This is the script. So this arch function is actually used to grab the architecture from the LS CPU. So this LS CPU is actually a very big thing. I mean a very big list, and I grab the architecture from it. So byte order the same thing. The only change is that I use the OCF and double colon. I use that I only needed to print the byte order after the colon, and this stuff is used, this regex code is used to remove the space after the byte order and after the colon. So in this model I also use the same thing as here, only that I change the model name so it will render the model. For processor I use the nproc to find the number of processors. CPU usage I use mpstat. Initially I planned on using the top function, top slash bn1. For some reason it wasn't giving me the output I needed, and I switched to mpstat. So mpstat slash p all actually sorry hyphen p all gives the CPU, the amount of CPU which is idle, and I subtracted that idle time from 100 to get the actual CPU usage. Clock speed I only uh, printed out the clock speed from the proc slash CPU info, and it's always the same. In my case it's 3293.728, something like that. For the cache, I grab the cache function from the LS CPU, and load average I use the uptime command, and I um, extracted the um, load average from it. And for U time, that's actually the uptime. I use the uptime command, and I printed the just the time, that is the now how a number of minutes it has been running for, and date I extracted the date, and the output is this thing. For information, this is not the final version, it's just a starting point, and I will be using APIs to get this information from any servers. And I am not actually sure how I'm going to implement that, but it's the starting point. I'm My goal is to uh, mimic the Datadog server monitoring system like Prometheus, Grafana, and Datadog. Mainly, I'm actually I'm actually trying to attain the level of Datadog. It's actually something cool. I found those things cool, so I'm actually trying to replicate it for my college project. So I'll see you in the next day.